Hello everyone, just got my package from Temu and I'm super excited and I can't wait to unbox it. Okay, so I'll be unwrapping this. It came sealed and it looks well packaged. I'm just going to unwrap this now so that we'll see what is inside. So stay with me guys, stay with me. So the first thing, putting my hand on here is my French curve. Okay, my French curve and pattern master. Okay, so let me bring it out. Let's see. The stretch ruler. Okay, if you follow my channel, you know I usually use the small colored ruler, so I try to get this so that I can use it for my work. Okay, so if you're just meeting me for the first time, I share pattern drafting and sewing tutorial on my channel, so I'll be needing this for my work. So okay, I also got a pattern master. Okay, I don't know if you can see it very well. This looks pretty sealed. Okay, and okay, I also got this. Okay, so there are 3 in 1. There are 3 in 1. So I'm just going to keep that aside now. Let's see the next one. A cotton mat. So I got this cotton mat. I also got this pressing mat. Remember, I don't know, some of you, if you watched my last live stream, I was pressing on the fashion fabric. Okay, so I advised if you can use a plain, maybe a plain fabric instead of placing your pressing iron directly on your fashion fabric. So this is going to help me a lot. Okay, on that I'm going to be pressing on this instead of directly on my fashion fabric. Okay, so let's see what else is inside here. And this is a phone tripod stand. Okay, so okay, I'm not sure how to work with this yet, but I'm going to figure that out later. Okay, and I also have this. This is for pin cushion. Okay, instead of me using I work with pins a lot, so I'm going to just hold this on my wrist. Okay, and attach my pins to it instead of placing my pin on the table and picking it up one after the other. I can just go ahead and insert the pins here, and I think that's all. Thank you for watching. I'm super grateful. Maybe if you want any of these items, I'll drop the link for you in the description box so you can get it directly and they'll drop it right in your doorstep. Thank you. Thank you, Temu. I love my items. I'm super grateful. Bye.